Summer is finally here, and for watch obsessives like me, that usually means that while the other half is worrying about whether we have enough factor 50, I'm starting to think about which watches to take with me on our travels. Now, Bahrain-based micro brand Nuun Official has just released its latest collection, and this one has summer written all over it. The BORA BORA collection has the same recognisable K-shape that you'll find on many other watches from the brand, which bears more than a passing resemblance to a Nautilus. Like their Space Ranger watch that I reviewed last year, they've gone with a white case here. This time that case is made from white resin carbon, with a sandblasted stainless steel caseback, crown and pushers. The case measures 40.5mm and is 12mm thick, which is pretty reasonable for a chronograph. This one is powered by a quartz Miyota movement, the 0S21. So it has a subdial on the left that displays the elapsed minutes when the chronograph's running, while the one on the right is a 24-hour display, which is useful if your summer holiday takes you to a different time zone. Now, I'm not one of those guys who sneers at quartz. It's got its place, and there are some incredible quartz movements available, but I prefer a smooth, sweeping seconds hand to the 1 tick per second that you have with most quartz watches. The 0S21 movement used here isn't one of my favourite quartz movements, but it works in this configuration because you only see that classic quartz tick when the chronograph is activated, as there's no running seconds complication. But the dials of these BORA BORA watches are really the star of the show. They've got a shimmering, textured finish that really sparkles, a bit like metallic paint, when the light hits it at certain angles. And there's a vertical light-to-dark gradient that's echoed by the colours of the two-tone silicon rubber straps. That's something I haven't seen anyone do before, so kudos to Nuun Official for that. This yellow-orange colourway is called the Mai Tai, and the blue version is Laguna. And I think they both work really well with the white case, and they'd look just as good on the beach as they would at the beach bar. You won't need to worry too much about taking these for a dip either. These watches have 100 meters of water resistance, even though the crown doesn't screw down, though it does have a reassuring click when you push it in. These BORA BORA watches are available for $475 from the Nuun Official website, which I don't think is bad, especially considering that they come with a 3-year warranty, a whole year more than most micro brands offer.